Hello everyone, welcome to Code One, and in this video I'm going to show you how can you handle this auto search option that is going to hide when I'm clicking right click on it. It's going to hide. So let's say I search some product, let's say I search mobile, and when I am trying to inspect it, it's hiding. Okay, so I can't inspect it. So how can you handle this kind of situation in your automation or Selenium while you writing a script? And let's say I want to get the list of these items suggestion list, but the problem is whenever I'm trying to inspect this, it's hiding for me. Okay, so how can you handle that? There are many way. Like I can't say the many way. There are some tricks that I'm going to show you that you can use. So the first one is, let's say you have here about the like if from the event listener we can perform some operation. So when you inspect element or press F12 from your keyboard and just go style compared and click on this arrow, and you will see the event listener. So you can hide a blur property. Okay, let me hide it. So I've deleted the blur property and then now trying to inspect it, but it's still hiding. So this trick sometime work, but sometime it will not work. Okay, so we'll see some proper solution for that. And the next thing, you can also do the debugger. You can press F8 and stop the debugger over there, JavaScript debugger, and then you can write. But in this case Flipkart, it's not working. So even any your command we are going to pass from this console is not working with this solution. So how to handle this thing, let's check in this video. Always remember, whenever you are controlling or trying to inspect the element here, like just go to the element, right click on it, let it be hide and still go to the inspect element, and you will see this area over here. Okay, you will see this area over here, and this is coming for the like this is inspecting this product, but we need a list. Okay, so in that case just click on your console source code somewhere here in this area and click on this controller arrow, and then go to, then click on the input. Okay, when you see here, I just click multiple time, you just need to click on only once. So I just click here, and no, just a second, done. Okay, and now if I go down, okay, you have to make a control like your this arrow is inspecting an element and ball this suggestion box is open. Now go to your source code here into element section and scroll it down. Okay, you see where you finding this input. This is my input. Okay, this is my input where I'm passing mobile. Just go down and check where the element is selecting. So you can see when I go to this UI I can find these elements, and these are the list of LIs. Let it be hide it, even if it will be hide from the UI section, it will be displayed into the element section. Okay, now you can create a path and do this. So let's check the in real time how can you perform that. So first I need to navigate to this, the task of this video is I need to navigate to this Flipkart, search mobile here and get the list of suggestion box, right? So let's move quickly on my clips. This is my basic setup, and this time what can I do? I can say driver.navigate to Flipkart, and then find a search. So for that I need a XPath for this search box that I can easily inspect. Go here, and this is my XPath. So let's say we have a name here as a queue for this input. So I can create a XPath like input at the rate name equals to queue. Okay, this is a unique one, so I'm using it. So now driver dot find element by dot XPath, so not a partial text, by dot XPath, and I'm passing my XPath, and then I need to send a key. Let's say that's even an extra one. Yeah, now man, that's not working. Okay, send keys, and here I can pass the mobile, so it will enter mobile in my input, and then I need to click on this element. So let's quickly find that element, hidden element again, inspect those hidden element again. First step, you have to click on this area, okay, and then make sure you are inspecting the element by this. And then if you go here into the mobile, you can see it's auto selecting. When I mouse over on this input source code here, it's mouse overing here. Okay, so just go down. Okay, go down and check this area. Okay, let's find it. Okay, I have clicked it here once, and then go here. You can see it's showing me this elements. Okay, so just observe this. You have to remember, you have to note down somewhere this class name or some unique things that will help you to create a XPath for this. Okay, so I can see I have a first one f1s fries class that is starting, and the random, and the next thing is dynamic. So I can create XPath over there. Over here, this is 1sf fry. Okay, so for this UL, I can say contains @class equals to 1sf fry. F was capital, I guess. Yeah, FRIS. Or if I can do start work. Okay, here we don't need to use equals to because we are verifying it contain or not. And in that case, is it working? No. Slash contains @class equals to 1 SFRYS. S is capital here. Yeah, now it's finding. Okay, I can remove S as well. It's fine. 1S fries off fine for me. So I'm using this XPath to get the list of product. So how can I do that? In Selenium, we have a find elements method. Okay, I'm going to just take it down. So driver dot find elements y.xpath, and here I'm going to use my XPath, and this will return me a list of element of bev elements. So let's say list of what type of list will be there. It will be bev element. So I can say element list, right? And let me iterate it one by one by using for each loop, and I can say this is my element, and let's get the value and print it over the console. So ele.getText, and here it will display all the products that we are trying to fetch from this auto search. And to make sure, let's print the size of it. So we will make sure like that's storing total product, we can say total product, and this dot size, right? Yeah, everything is okay now. Let's run it. So the purpose of this video is like, if your hiding trick is not working, if you are not able to disable the blur and all, so in this way you can inspect. Even if it is hiding, it will definitely show in your console, in your element area, and in this way you can navigate to that element, that hidden element, and just observe the things, the unique things, and you can create easily XPath over there. Okay, the execution is done. It's showing the product total is 1, but it should be more than 1. Like it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It should be 8. It's showing me a wrong value over here. So what can I do? Let's keep some weight over there, and after searching the mobile, let's keep a thread. I'm using the threads.sleep for a demonstration purpose. If you are working on a real-time project, don't use it. Instead, use the implicit wait. Sorry, explicit wait or implicit wait. Yeah, implicit also you can use. So now it's searching. and you can see something happen. See, it's showing the list of, yeah, sorry, if we have to put it here, then it will display the complete good things, like, oh man, that was fine. So total product, it's showing size is 1, but it's printing all the product 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So it's going to over there. So waiting for a 5 second, then find elements by this first exply. Let me check how many count I'm getting over here in my real-time execution window. So I just go and inspect element and go to this and search it here. So I have only one. Yeah. And now, okay, got it. Sorry. So under the UL is only one, but under the UL we have LIs. Okay, so this time it will find the 8 element, right? So I just need to change my XPath and change it to LI, and now it will work. It will, this time it should show a total count as 8, and it should print the list of the product. Like, see here, the total product count. Product spelling is wrong, so product count is 8, and it's printing all the list of suggested product over there. So in this way you can like you can handle the hidden elements, hidden auto suggestions, or you can say the drop down, and you don't need to do many make any changes into your DOM or your event listener, or don't need to remove the blurs over there. Okay, so these things might be coming from the React.js or some advanced UI technology, right? They are might using some modern JavaScript over there, so that's why this happening, but we can handle it in automation easily. Okay, for more such video, please subscribe to Code One. In case you are facing any issue during your automation, just write us a comment, just write me a comment. I will try to video on that. Thank you.